say you leave me, I'm sorry.
Vocalist, the vocalist. The vocalist. The subcontra. The subcon.
Second voice.
Everything is dead. The second voice, sir.
Peace of mind still I have.
Close up. Close up, man.
And someone who knows broken men. I know it will come back when will the day. Turn back the time. Turn back the time. I spent it with you. Spent it with you.
Director.
I want you to know, even your friends, I'm drowning your tears.
Hoy! Ben!
I wish you were here.
Go!
Can hear me say, believe me, I'm sorry. I want you to know. 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 Believe me, I'm sorry. Lord, I want you to know. I want you to know. You're all right. I'm sorry. Second voice. This feeling has never ended. It never subsides. I realize that keeping you glory caused me pain. So I try to forget about it, but this feeling always remains. Tell me when I ain't survive. Stop my tears and keep it inside. Holding back myself on being close to you.
Okay, Paringo, come up. It's your turn.
Oh, pagsik. Marito po.
Paringo, it's turn.
Not knowing how to help myself, or rather than frustration, I can't get you out of my mind. I don't know what to do. If this feeling is ever going, this feeling I feel for you.
You go, Paringo, come on. Come on, here you go.
Turn around, never survive. Stop my tears and keep it inside. Holding back myself from being close to you. And keep it inside. Holding back myself from being close to you.
Bakit kaya palang kasi nakanta ko? Bagsik!
Tell me what we did was survive. Stop my tears and keep it inside.
Maritan, bilisan nyo! Maubusan na kayo ng alak.
Close to you. Holding back myself from being close to you.
Babayo!
Goes on ang aking yakap.
pare ko. Tumuna ka na?
Bakit ngayon? Bakit dumating sa buhay ko? Pilipino.
Pare ko, back boys.
Ang sarado mo.
Pare, sige mo dyan.